Another good day at the factory of Grain Technik. Today we are going to dispatch one of our largest grain chillers to a storage site in Rajasthan. At this place we expect a particularly high ambient temperature which regularly will exceed 45 degrees during these summer months. And our machine will be operated there at multiple silos of 5,000 tons. And the purpose of the chiller would be to ensure a low temperature of the grain for a perfect success in the subsequent malting procedure. This grain chiller will be dispatched together with a set of accessories and consumables and other parts required for a successful commissioning and operation phase.